Okay, now lab 3 is to create VLAN. We will create a VLAN for this network. In this network diagram, there are four PCs connected with a switch. So the PC name is Iris1, Iris2, Iris3, Iris4. And the IP range is 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.4, and 192.168.1.5. And the IP allotted to switch for VLAN is network IP is 192.168.1.1. Okay. So in this case, what we will do, we will do that we will create two VLAN. The name of VLAN will be HR and IT. In one VLAN, we can say the number of VLAN will be VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10 will be for HR department and VLAN 20 will be for IT department. We will keep Iris 1 and Iris 3 in one VLAN and Iris 2 and Iris 4 in another VLAN. So let's see how we will perform these tasks. Hmm. So what we will do, everything will be performed on switch. So we need to go to client terminal of switch. This is the client. This is the client terminal of our switch. Hmm. So from here, first of all, what we need to enter in configuration mode, and we will do this by typing this config terminal command. After that, you can see here we are inside the protected switch configuration mode. Simply to create a VLAN, we need to type VLAN 10. That's enough. Then to give the name of this VLAN, we need to type name space name of VLAN. In our case, it is HR. Hmm? Then it's we create another VLAN with the name of with the number of VLAN 20 and the name of name ID. Okay. Now the two LANs are created, VLAN 10 with the name HR and VLAN 20 with the name of ID. So there are 24 ports in this switch. And as you can see, this first PC is connected with the port, with the port, with the port, with the port 1. Here you can see in the right side with the port 1, with the port 2, with the port 3, and with the port 4. Four ports are up. Hmm. With first port, four PCs are connected. Hmm. Now, okay. Hmm. Now, we need to firstly go on port number 1 of that switch. How we can go on that? Uh, in to just we need to type a command interface to go on any interface and the name of that interface. In our case, it is fast Ethernet type of port and type of interface is fast Ethernet, and we need to type the name of that interface. In our case, it is 01. Hmm. With this 01, Iris 1 laptop is connected. Then we need to type the command switch port mode access. This what this command does, you can say here the mode is change config hyphen if configuration of interface. Switch mode, switch port, the port of switch. By default, this mode is in trunk. There are two type of mode. One is trunk and one is access. So we need to put this port in access mode so that everybody can access. Access mode is for local. Trunk mode is to public for public. Hmm. Then we want to add this. Our task is to add this port inside VLAN 10. So what we will do, we will type the command switch port access VLAN 10. That's it. And this port will be added inside VLAN 10. After that, we need to type exit command. Exit command is nothing but you can compare this command cd dot dot of ms-dos command to go back one step. After that, we will enter inside second port of switch, which is fast Ethernet 02. And by this command, we will change the mode of this port into access mode. And by this command, we will add this port into VLAN 20. And then we need to just come back one step. Then we will go to fast Ethernet port 3. Hmm. Yeah, there is a mistake in the command. Hmm. And then just change the change the mode of that port. Hmm. And then add this port in VLAN 10 and then go back one step. Now repeat this step again for port number 4, and by these commands we will add port number 4 with VLAN 20. Now just come back by exit command. And to see all the VLAN configuration, we need to type show VLAN brief command. By default, VLAN 1 is the by default port. All the ports, all the switch port comes in this. This is the default port. This is VLAN 1. Now you can see in the HR department, which is now active, FA01, FA03 are the part of this. And for the IT department, FA02 and FA04 are the part of this. So hence we have successfully created the switch. VLAN in the switch by this manner. Thank you. Now our next task is to check that these PC should ping each other. Only the PC inside a VLAN should ping to each other. We know we know that the IP address of this PC3 is, you can see this, it's here 1.4, and we know that iris 1 and iris 3 both are in same. So what we will do, we will try to ping We will try to ping PC3 with, you can see it's, we can ping E successfully. Now let's try to ping this Iris PC2 whose IP is 2.1.3. You can say 192.168.1.3. So let's try to ping this. Now you can see we are not able to ping. Now we know that Iris 2 and Iris 4, both these PCs are in IT department. So let's try to ping Iris 4 192.168.1.5. See, we can ping this PC. Now try to ping PC Iris 1 whose IP is 2. Now you can see we are not able to ping. So that's all for VLAN Lab. Mm, bye.